Okay, I'm gonna demonstrate this problem for you guys. It's very stiff at this point. Hear it pop. And then right here's another point of it. The pops aren't as loud, I just washed it. But what I'm hoping the fix is going to be is this bottom hinge has a roller down here. We're gonna put some white lithium grease on there and try it. I'll video that. Alright, so here's what I'm doing. I've got that little roller down there lubed up. The minute I put the lube on it, it stopped rolling completely. So I put some of this grease on there, and now I'm working it back and forth, and it's starting to move again. There we go. That popping is shut up, and that roller's rolling. I'm going to try and get a little more grease on the other side of it, and hopefully this will get my issue fixed. I don't know if you can see that roller, but it's rolling now. I'll show you the other side, what I mean by rolling and not. All right, here's it after. No more popping noise, and it opens and closes pretty smooth now. The trick to it was just getting the lube on the very top of that roller. Let's see. Just on the top of the roller and the bottom of the roller. Don't get it on the middle or it will no longer roll. I guess it made it too slick because this piece here, I don't know, it was just sliding against the roller instead of rolling the roller. So I had to clean off that white lithium grease from the actual surface there and just put the grease above and below and worked it back and forth, and no more loud popping noise. Good to go. Hope this helps somebody.